All right, let's quickly walk through the ORIC submission form so your work gets counted.
Basically, if your work isn't documented right, it might not get counted. That's what we're fixing.
So think of this as an evidence-gathering tool, not just another form. Let's dive in.
Okay, your work is going to fall into one of these 6 main buckets. Simple as that.
First up, research grants. This is all about proposal-based funding and your project milestones.
So this covers proposals you've sent out, projects that got the green light, and ones you've wrapped up. The crucial thing is proof. Upload that approval letter or your submission receipt. That's key.
Next up, consultancies. This is for any paid, commissioned work you've done for a client.
So, if a company paid you for market research or you advised on policy, this is the spot.
What's the best evidence? Easy. A signed contract or the terms of reference for the project.
So what's the difference? A grant is proposal-based funding. A consultancy is a paid contract.
All right, on to linkages. And we're talking formal, documented partnerships, not just a quick chat.
Think signed MOUs with other universities or official partnership agreements with industry. That's what counts.
And for evidence, that signed MMO is the gold standard. Just upload a copy of it.
Okay, let's talk about your big ideas. Intellectual property. This is for patents and prototypes.
So, if you've submitted a disclosure, filed a patent, or have a prototype in testing, log it here.
A filing receipt, a certificate, or even a simple test report is perfect proof for this section.
Category 5 is a big one, events and engagement. It covers a ton of different activities.
Did you organize a conference or maybe just attend a training? Both count, so report them right here.
For proof, an invitation letter, an agenda, or your participation certificate works great.
And last but not least, Category 6, honors and awards. This is all about getting recognized.
But here's a key point. This is for awards, like Best Researcher, not a standard attendance certificate.
Okay, let's quickly go over some common mistakes to avoid. This will make your submission way stronger. So before you click that submit button, just run through this quick checklist, super simple.
Look, when in doubt, just submit it. Your work is important, so let's get it recognized.